warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Azlan Maulana.
My name is Nur Hidayatul Mila. My name is Galuzara Astika.
My name is Mufani Saharani.
Today we will explain two video. The first video is climate change and the second video is phonology. And happy watching!
I want to talk about cultural context of the first video. This video is a product of CED, an English language global education platform that combines science with animated visuals to broaden international understanding. The use of Thatcher's analogy demonstrates how Western popular and digital culture is leveraged to explain complex scientific concept in a way that is easily understood by a younger generation familiar with the world of gaming. Furthermore, the context of climate change reflects a global awareness that this issue concerns all of humanity, transcending national and cultural boundaries. It also presents a cultural critique of the consumerist lifestyle and dependence of fossil fuels, which are hallmarks of modern industrial society and the primary causes of increasing carbon emissions.
Next, I will explain fact and the opinion from the first video. First main fact. 1. The video explains the carbon cycle on Earth. CO2 enters the atmosphere through volcanics, respiration, and fossil fuel combustion, and it removed through photosynthesis and absorption by the ocean. 2. CO2 acts as a greenhouse gas that traps heat and causes the greenhouse effect. 3. Since the industrial era, around 1750, CO2 level has increased by about 14% due to fossil fuel burning and deforestation. 4. The impact include polar ice melting, rising sea levels, extreme weather, and the ecosystem disruption. 5. The Tetris analogy is used to illustrate the build-up of carbon that is difficult to control and cannot be reset. And the second, I will explain about the opinion. 1. We are all involved in this carbon game and are responsible for controlling it. 2. Unlike Tetris, Earth cannot be reset, so immediately action is crucial. 3. Lifestyle changes, emission reduction, and environmental conservation are needed. 4. Climate impact vary across region and population.
The conclusion in first video is climate change, a giant game of Tetris. It explains that the accumulation of carbon in the atmosphere caused by human activities led to global warming and disrupt the balance of Earth system. A condition that, like in the game Tetris, cannot be reset.
Okay, next I will explain the second video about main idea. The video explained that phonology, the study of the timing of biological events such as flowering, migration, and seasonal change, is greatly influenced by climate change. As the air temperature rises, seasons and natural cycles shift, causing timing mismatches between species. For example, plants may bloom earlier while birds or insects have not yet adapted. This creates a chain reaction that disrupts ecosystem. Therefore, observing phonology is crucial for understanding and monitoring the impacts of climate change on nature. Okay, the second is implied meaning about the second video. The video emphasizes the interconnectedness of all living beings with nature's rhythms and that climate change is not merely about rising temperatures, but also about shift in natural timing that can disrupt ecosystem balance. The implied message in the importance of observation, awareness, and human action to understand and respond to the real change already happening today.
Next, I want to explain about attitude and tone of the second video. The first is attitude. The speaker is educational, caring, and realistic, She explained that climate change is real and affects natural events such as blooming and animal migration, encouraging people to observe the change calmly. The second is tone. The tone is calm, clear, and informative, with a gentle invitation for the audience to be more aware of change in nature.
Okay, the last I want to talk about conclusion in the second video of penology. Penology and nature shifting rhythms show that temperature change also shift nature rhythm, causing flowering times, migration, and other biological cycles to become out of synchron, ultimately disturbing ecosystem.
Maybe that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.